So to enter multiple prompts in Wombo AI app, like here you can see some of the examples from their gallery, and then what people are doing is they just adding like vertical lines before between their words. Uh, so for example, if I want to be a picture around mountain, so that's what I would do to create a few prompts instead of just writing mountain or something like that. Probably that's what you can do, and then if your image is generated, people will clearly see that these are different prompts. But for some art styles, there are some errors. I don't know why it doesn't work that easy for me. So yeah, for some, I don't know what to do. Sometimes it just doesn't work. But anyhow, hope you get the idea.